Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine and safe, of course. As you all know, we are facing our tough times right now. So I thought I could give a word of hope, a word of motivation to all my juniors. My dear brothers and sisters, I know sometimes you might feel alone being away from your friends, being away from what you want, being away from everything you did. But I want you to remember one thing, that you are not alone. We all are in this together. And we will overcome this better, faster and stronger. I have spent all my 4 years in ICE department. And the people we have got there are the most supportive and most awesome people. They have helped me see through my difficulties. They have helped me to learn from my mistakes. I'm telling you that you are in the safer hands. I wish this message gets to everyone, and please remember, you are smart, you are strong, and most importantly, you are awesome.
Hey everyone, this is Vanishri. I'm a 2017 passed out and currently working as a test analyst at Cognizant. Today I'm here to relay a small message. First of all, big kudos to our very own HOD ma'am and all the other staff members. I can see that they are working really hard every single day, starting from webinars, online classes, to interactions, arranging for an interaction with the senior and so on. Not sure if other colleges or other department staffs are doing the same. So they put in so much effort to bring the best to you. So we should be grateful for that. Now coming to the current situation, we always get to hear that one must never miss their college life. But the situation is such that we are forced to stay at home. So just remember one thing, this too shall pass, and things will get better eventually. There will come a day when we'll get to hear no more online classes, no more online exams, and you can come back to college. Let us all wait for that day with full of positivity and energy, so that we can go back to college and enjoy our college life. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you all.
Hey juniors, hope you're all doing great. This is Ajit Kumar from the batch 2017 to 2021. And nowadays we know that things are hard, classes are now virtual, you can't go to events on and off campus with your friends, and all you people can do is to sit at home and use this time to upskill yourself. And there are lots of online platforms offering free courses, trying doing that. And it's not necessary you should only do technical courses like coding or cloud computing like that, and it can be also a non-technical, and it can be anything of your interest. You will never get an opportunity like this in the future, and try doing something productive. And we should not let this global pandemic stop any of us from becoming who we want to be in the future. And at last, give everything that you can, never give up, stay positive, stay strong and stay healthy. Then thanks for this opportunity. Thank you.